Hello, my name is Benjamin and I am the product manager for our spray extraction cleaners. The Puzzi 30/4, smaller footprint, more performance.
The exclusive features: easy operation. Only one button combines all cleaning functions.
Large freshwater tank, 30 liters for long working periods. Easy to fill in several ways, using the wastewater tank, hose or tap. The filling level indication easily shows the freshwater level. The freshwater filter can be removed easily without tools.
The machine can be tipped over and transported even with a full freshwater tank.
Another feature is the removable wastewater tank with integrated handle. A floor protects the machine from being overfilled. The window in the cover provides a view into the tank.
A high-performance filter retains tiny particles and protects the operator. The tank cover is hinged and can be locked. The Puzzi 30/4 is highly mobile. Thanks to its narrow footprint, even train carriages can be cleaned comfortably. 2 wheel brakes ensure the machine stays stable. The large wheels make transportation easy for just one person, even up steps. Handholds either side make it easy to carry the machine. The foldable push bar can be adjusted to suit any operator height. The onboard power socket enables the PW30/1 power brush to be attached and powered easily. Another main feature is that the accessories can be stored easily and comfortably, including the floor tool, which can be stored directly on the machine. The home base bar allows storage of several accessories like an upholstery nozzle or the cable hook. Together with the Puzzi 30/4 we offer innovative accessories. The floor tool features a flexible suction bar, which guarantees best extraction at every angle. At 350 mm wide, the large floor tool provides higher productivity even on large carpets. Cleaning under furniture and different body heights are no problem anymore. Misuse is avoided. Operators can easily monitor cleaning progress thanks to the additional window on the suction elbow. The extra handle can be adjusted without additional tools. The handle is standardized and all accessories can be fixed without tools. With its large tanks and upright concept, the Puzzi 30/4 offers highly mobile and efficient cleaning of large carpet areas.